Welcome back to Technologies. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can remove malware from your computer. This happens when we enter a page and there add possibility dangerous extension to our browser and it is hacked. We are going to go to the upper right corner and then we are going to the settings. The settings is the end of the page. Okay? Press configuration. And here in the left option we can see tab reset settings, and you can restore the values and press this button. On the second option that we have is go to where it say privacy and security, and we have the option to delete browser or data directly to security. Okay, you can find here the section that we no longer want to adjust of the other option. It's go again to the upper right corner, the three dots appears, and go to the extension suggestion extension, and we can see in my case 3 extensions, and you can eliminate some that we do not know. It also happens it is directly begins to install on just working application on your computer. Okay, let's go to where it says application and open on your computer, or let's go to where it says application system features, and here you can see some application is not familiar to you and directly eliminate. And the last recommendation is that install an antivirus where it can see if there is any bad behavior. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to tell us what you thought of it there in Technologies.